and welcome, it's Gilly Kube. I just done this video in the most spectacular colour combo, really happy with it. One that a lady had asked me to, can you do this colour combo, Gilly? And I know I've done it in the past, but I haven't done it for a long time. And I did it, and I hadn't recorded it. It was so great, so I'm starting again. Plonker, I am a plonker. So, lovely 20 by 25 by 25 canvas. I'm going to just put a little bit of base coat on there, or really, all of my coat canvases come pre-gessoed, so it doesn't have to have any coat, but with fluid art, it's always nice to have a nice slippery coat under there. So it's literally coat the canvas in the pale blue, which was white with a little bit of phthalo blue in it to send it like this nice duck eggy blue. And then I just use my offset spatula. I've done loads of this particular style and so many different colour combos in it. And they're just really like a winner chicken dinner. They're fabulous to give as gifts, and they always look lovely. I'll show you when I bring the camera down at the end, the others that I've done today in the colours. Yeah, the one I've just done in this similar one is absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm getting paranoid and keep checking my camera. I'm wondering if my memory is full on my camera and that's why it just went off. Anyway, I'm going off again. So here we go. It was using then just the phthalo blue to wiggle. So it's a very kind of easy technique. And then I used white with viridian green. As I said, it was a lady that just messaged me saying, Gilly, can you try this colour combo? I guess it was one she got in mind to do herself, but she thought she'd have a look at it before she goes for it. I add a bit more white in here just so I've got plenty of colour to blow around. If you're a beginner, there's all the information in the drop down box underneath this video. There's links to beginners videos and information, links to the Amazon store, which has all of my materials. Anyway, colour combo magic, let's go. See how lovely that colour combo is? Just delightful. I'm just going to blow a few areas out to soften it up. Remember, you don't have to. Your art, your rules, your way. It's just giving you ideas. So I'm going to do three little puddles in this. So I'm using the phthalo blue, 3 puddles. That is just a beautiful colour combination. If you want to try that, absolutely a must. So I'll just put a little bit of the lighter colour in there. Yeah. So we've been having a lot of chilly weather because it's our winter and we've been having so much rain, but we've had 2 days of brilliant sun and 25 degrees. Crazy. So it's beautiful, I love it. Okay, stainless steel straw with a silicone bendy end. They're in my Amazon shop down below. Just gonna add a little bit more of the dark blue in there. I just think when you've got a really dark contrasting colour, it really makes the whole thing pop. I'll get my trusty deflated balloon and give it a balloon kiss. Oh yes, that's nice. Go again. Oh, that is such gorgeous colour. Really lovely. Thank you to the lady. I'm sorry I didn't take your name, but if you remind me if you're the person, thank you. Just let me know if you go ahead and do this colour combo. Oh, that is balloon kiss magic. I've put them on my wax paper or my craft paper that I buy from Kmart. Really fabulous find that was, because I no longer or very rarely use I used to use puppy pads, and of course the paint would absorb into the puppy pads, but they couldn't be reused again. But this, you can scrape all the paint up and reuse. These balloon kisses, my granddaughters love to come and have a look what paper. Then they come along and cut out all the balloon kisses, which is fabulous. So there you go. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So I'm just going to put a few little, that's not dark enough. I just need a bit of the dark blue paint to do a bit of fireflies and butterflies. Still not coming out. I need to add a bit of blue to my wax papers. I want to do some little tiny, so they just look like little fireflies or butterflies. Oh, beautiful. I'm going to just soften some of these. Just do little tendrils out, little wisps. Remember, you can do as much or as little as what you choose. It's your art, your rules, your way. Don't let anybody burst your bubble. Just do it your way. I think I'm going to have that song at my funeral. I did it my way. Hopefully it's not too soon. But anyway, if it is, remind me, family, to watch this video. A living will. There you go. I'm just finger popping the edges where the colour is. So it looks, or you can either finger pop it, finish it when it's dry, or get your balloon and balloon kiss the very edge. That looks very nice too, which I just did on the last one. So I'm going to bring you down and have a look at the two that I've just done. They are very sweet. They still look different, even though I did the same colour combo. There you go. So this is the one I just done on camera. Look at this. I could never ever paint those detail in those florals like that the humble old balloon creates, but that colour combo is gorgeous. So look, even the balloon kisses, the girls are going to love that. So they come and cut those out. So you can use them, put the balloon kisses onto cardstock or whatever, scrape the paint back up, because it does scrape up. This was the first one I did that I thought was filming. So it was the same colour combo look, but it does look slightly different. But they certainly could be hung up on the wall together, I guess. But yeah, so what do you guys think of this colour combo? Oh, I'll let them dry and I'll put them on at the end, and hopefully when they're varnished. So I did this colour combo on a bigger canvas earlier. Oh, look how gorgeous that one turned out. Hopefully you will have seen the video for that one already. If not, have a little look-see for it, or tell me and I'll put the link on. But I really hope that you love those as much as I do. So I had to do the second one and show you because I was just so excited with the lovely combination. Lovely gift you want to give to someone rather than a card, so much nicer. But anyway, my lovelies, like I always like to remind you, if you are feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend or a helpline if that isn't available to you. Take care. Until next time. Bye for now.
I'm hushing the dog on the chain. I'm running up stones on the edge of the bank. Rally the troops for another refrain. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself. I'm buried beneath the sand. There's no way to speak or reach out my hand. Watching the paper slowly unfold, bracing for news that I can't bear to hold. While I'm singing this song to myself, I sing this softly to myself. Tore up my jeans on the fence. This iron road I cannot bend, but my walking is lighter when I walk with a friend. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly